much, amen, faith messages, amen, and the faith, amen, that we know of is not the faith that God is calling us to walk into. Amen. I'm just to a place where I said, God, I'm going to live this thing. I want to see everything, amen, that you promised me, amen, come to pass. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. But what God began to deal with me about is kingdom advancement. Somebody say kingdom advancement.
Kingdom advancement.
Amen. I'm just going to walk this just for a while. Amen. Before I just get crazy. Amen. Amen. But look at your neighbor and say kingdom advancement. Kingdom advancement. Amen. A kingdom is a domain. It's a place where one has dominion and authority. It's a place of power. Look at your neighbor and say a place of power. Look at somebody on the other side of you and say the place of power. Also, advancement. Advancement is the act of advancing or the state of being advanced. Amen. Progression, improvement, promotion. Amen. To a higher place or dignity. The advancement of learning is a forward movement. Look at your neighbor and say, we're getting ready to move forward. Come on, look at another neighbor and say, neighbor, we're crashing the church system and we're advancing in the kingdom system.
All right.
Somebody didn't hear what I said, but when you deal with dominion, you deal with Genesis 1 and 26. He says, and God said, let us make man in our image and after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish, over the sea, over the fowl, over the air, over the cattle, and over the earth. Come on, somebody. And over every creeping thing that creepeth upon the earth. And God created man in his own image. Somebody say his own image.
His own image.
And in the image of God created he him, male and female created he them. This is a good part. And God blessed them, and God said unto them, be fruitful and multiply. Somebody say be fruitful and multiply.
Fruitful and multiply.
Meaning that our very existence is called to advance. We're not called to stay, amen, in the same place. But look at your neighbor and say we're called to advance. We're called to shift. We're called to move. And I don't know about nobody up in here, but church was not called to stay the same. Come on, somebody. But as we begin to pray more, as we begin to worship more, we ought to get to the place where we download more spiritual data, amen, to where, come on, somebody. Come on, you ought to not be operating in the same realm that you operated in last week. Come on, somebody. You ought to not be